Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find out the list of all types of files that are occupying storage spaces in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as FileBricks by TKO Soft. And the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now you can see the software shortcut icon appearing on my desktop screen. So just double click it to run this software. So now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So here you will see a different tabs option like files and folders, only files, only folders, or you can search for the duplicates also. So here I'm gonna use the files and folders, and on the above you can see all drives, or you can select the respective drive or respective part, whichever you want to select. So here I'm gonna select all drives, and once you have selected the various options, now you can click on this scan option. So finally you can see here the scanning has been completed. Now you can see here the extensions, that means the different types of files. So say you can see here .mp4, .gif, .dll, .iso, so tons of different files. So you can see here, so you can see the size of the respective file that is occupying on my storage. So you can see this much of GB and total number of files, and above you will get a diagram of the related files that are occupying various spaces. So by using this cool application named as FileBricks, you can easily find out the list of all types of files that are occupying storage spaces in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.